Wagwan and hope all is well. So today is Sunday, Mother's Day. I know I haven't posted in what couple days. I'm not sure if it's a week, but sometimes it's even good to detox itself from the internet while you can spend time with the family. Come and work 7 days a week. So once I can do a little thing, but just do a little thing. And I was so caught up in the Miss Donna and Trishana story, and I was like, no, leave it alone because we just know what it turned out to be anyway. But anyway, to all the mothers, I want to say a happy Mother's Day to you, especially to the ones who have lost their child, whether it's stillbirth, murder, accident. Today especially, I know on a have a little different burden down upon her, but I just want to share what Spice and Nicholas did for her. Alright?
You taught me everything you gave me. I always think it inside.
Oh, Nick.
There's a driving force in my life. Yeah, he isn't anything or anyone that I can be, and it just wouldn't feel right. Yeah, if I didn't have you by my side. Ooh, you were there for me to love and care for me when skies were gray. Whenever I was down, you were always there to comfort me. And no one else can be what you have been to me. You will always be the girl in my life for all times. Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Mama, Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Loving you is like tears from the stars. Mama, I just want you to know. Mama, I just want you to know. Loving you is like food to my soul. 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 Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Thank you. Oh my God. So sweet. This is so precious to me. Thank you. How did you think about this? Oh, this is so sweet.